Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use round, round up, round down and MROUND formulas in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. In Excel, when we are multiplying or dividing the values, we may get the value in decimals. This may create problems in calculations, especially for salaries, so that we can round them to run the calculation smoothly. Open Excel 2007. Here I have prepared some data. In DA, we got the value with the decimals. So to fix this, we can use round function. Round function will round up a number to a specified number of digits, and it can round either to the left or to the right of the decimal point. Round function is helpful to eliminate least significant digits, simplifying the notation but keeping close to the original value. And please select a cell and type the following formula equal to round. In number, we need to select the number to round, comma. In num digits, please select number of digits to which number should be rounded, 0. If number digit is greater than 0, number is rounded to the specified number of decimal places to the right of the decimal point. If number digit is less than 0, number is rounded to the left of the decimal point, that is to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, etc. After this, press enter. Now the value in DSL is rounded to 1832. Now let's change the number digits value. Here I'm selecting 1, enter. Then the number is rounded to the specified number of decimal places to the right of the decimal point. Again type 2. Now we got 1831.94. And if we add number digit less than 0, let's check it, -1, enter. Then the number is rounded to the left of the decimal point. 1831 becomes 1830. Now it is rounded to the 100th place, and to apply this to all the cells, click and drag from the bottom right corner. And after this, we have round up formula, which always rounds a number up, that is away from 0. Again, let's type the formula equal to, I'm selecting round up, select the number, comma, 0, close the bracket, enter. Now it is round up to nearest whole number, and it is round up to first decimal place. Similarly, let's add -1, enter. Then it round up to the nearest 10. If you want to add this to all the cells, click and drag from the bottom right corner. Similarly, we have round down formula, which always rounds a number down, that is towards 0. Let's type the formula equal to, select to round down, select the number, comma. In number digits, please type 0, close the bracket, enter. Then it round down to nearest whole number. Now it is round down to 2 decimal places. Let's add less than 1. Then it is round down to the nearest 10. And now it is round down to the nearest 100. Again, apply this to all the cells. And finally, we have MROUND formula, which returns a number rounded to a given multiple. MROUND will round a number up or down depending on the nearest multiple. And please type the formula equal to MROUND. Select the number, comma. Let's select a multiple. I'm entering 2, close the bracket, enter. Then it will round it to the nearest number that divided by 2. If we add 3, it will round it to the 1833, which divided by 3. Similarly, let's add 4. Now we got 1832, which is divided by 4. Let's check it. Open calculator, type 1832 divided by 4 equal to, now we got a number without any decimal point, and apply this to all the numbers. Like this, we can use round, round up, round down and MROUND formulas in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.